Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender 5.1 how to apply texture to model. So we have this example 3D objects, and if you want to apply texture you can go to material and then click in the yellow button here in base color. I will choose the image texture, click open button, and then you can search for your image. I will use this image and click open. Now to show in this 3D object, you can change into the shadings or renderer view. You can click to be show the image texture into the model. So if you want to change, you can close here and I will click open. We set the new image. I will use this image. Click open and it will be applied into the object. Okay, that's it for a basic Blender 5.1 how to apply texture to model.